Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do the unboxing of an Amazon product. So we'll open it. So this is a foldable table. This is a foldable table and we can open this from back. And the table is ready. And these black things are the gripping part. This is for holding. This is the cup holder where we could keep any cup, coffee cup. Here we could keep our gadget. The space is provided. And the material used to make this table is very smooth. We have bought this in rupees 380, but the MRP of this product is 1600 and we have bought it from Amazon. And the design of this product is very attractive and we cannot return this product, and there is no warranty for this product. So this is all for this product. And now here we will be keeping the gadget and will be showing you. So here this is the space provided for keeping our laptop. Here we can write easily, we can do work easily, and we can also write anything easily. And now here we can keep iPad like that. We have to remove the cover and then we can fit it here. And for mobile directly we can keep it here, and this is very good product. Guys, so I want you to know about the gripping. So this gripping is made of normal foam, and this could be slippery on the floor.
It is not rubber, right?
Yeah, it is not rubber.
Right. Okay, just show on the front how it looks. Okay, then we will use it, and if any questions, mention in the comment sections. We will provide all questions answer.